In the previous video, we have learned about and word in joining two different sentences. Now we will know about using but. Okay, B-U-T, but. Read these sentences. This balloon is red. This balloon is blue. Okay, see, this balloon is red. This balloon is red. That balloon is blue. Two different sentences. But balloon is red and also one more balloon is blue. Okay, this balloon is red but that balloon is blue. Two different colors but object is same. Description is different. That's why we are using but. This balloon is red but that balloon is blue. Okay, see here, second sentence. I like noodles. My brother likes rice. See here, you like noodles and your brother likes rice. Now with using but we need to join the sentence. I like noodles but my brother likes rice. Okay, two different things, right? But is also a joining word. We use but when we talk about opposite things or qualities. I said you right. This balloon is red. That balloon is blue. See, in both the sentences, balloon is the object. Same object of different qualities or different things. I mean different opposite things. See, two different colors. But one object. That's why, see, but is also a joining word. We use but when we talk about opposite things or qualities. Okay, children? Now we will see join these sentences using but. An elephant is big. A rat is small. See here, two different animals and qualities are different. An elephant is big but a rat is small. See, elephant is big and rat is small. Okay, an elephant is big but a rat is small. Okay, now this clown is happy. That clown is sad. See, two clowns are there. One is happy and one is sad. Now, this clown is happy but that clown is sad. See here, children, here small mistake is been done. You will write it clearly. Okay, this clown is happy but that clown is sad. Okay, now grandfather likes tea. Grandmother likes coffee. Grandfather likes tea but grandmother likes coffee. See, grandfather likes tea and grandmother likes coffee. Two different qualities. Okay, two different interests. Grandfather likes tea but grandmother likes coffee. I like to draw. My sister does not. Okay, I like to draw but my sister does not. Okay, my sister likes to play football. I do not. My sister likes to play football but I do not. Okay, now here let's perfect it. We will be underlining the joining words in these sentences. Okay, I will discuss 1 to 5 with you and then 6 to 10 would be your homework, children. On your own, you need to underline the joining words. I buy a banana and an orange. What is the joining word here? And. Okay, underline and. Grandmother and grandfather are going for a walk. See, grandmother, grandfather are going for a walk. And. Okay, my sister likes reading but I like coloring. But it is a cold and windy day. See, it is a cold and windy day. And is the joining word. Underline and. Kabir is sad but Karan is happy. But. Okay, 6 to 10 would be your homework, children. Now, fill in the blanks with and. See, all the blanks, you need to read and then fill in the blanks with and. Okay, I have a pet dog. My dog is white and brown in color. Connect the sentences with the picture given in the textbook, children. He has long ears and a curly tail. See, the boy is describing about his pet dog. Okay. He barks and wags his tail. When I come home from school, he likes to run and play with a ball. Okay. Now next. Fill in the blanks with but. My pet cat is white. She has green eyes but a pink tongue. When she is hungry, she likes milk but not fruits. She sleeps all but wakes up when I come home. Okay, children? Now, one more. Comprehension. Read this poem. The rain. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Pitter patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Okay, children? Now, carefully read once again and then answer. We will be answering now. Answer these questions. What sound do the raindrops make? What sound? Raindrops make pitter patter sound. Okay? From where do the raindrops fall? Raindrops fall from the sky. Where do they fall? They fall from the sky. What does an umbrella do in the rain? Umbrella helps to keep us safe and dry. Okay? Umbrella helps to be safe and dry. Keeps us. Umbrella helps to keep us safe and dry in rain. What shines after the rain stops? The sun shines and begins to glow after the rain stops. Okay? Now, fill in each blank with a joining word. Umbrellas keep us safe and dry. The rain is over and the sun shines. Little flowers start to bud and grow. Okay, children? Now, see, I check out the further slides for the answers. See here, joining words I have underlined. Check with your answers. Okay? Now, see here, children, in the third answer, what does an umbrella do in the rain? Umbrella helps to keep us safe and dry in rain. Okay? To be Allah, it's not be. Okay? Now, with this, I am ending the video. Children, practice well with the Grammarite videos and also in the textbook activities and chapters so that you can write clearly in the examination. Okay? Refer all the notes, worksheets and Grammarite videos and also textbook activities and exercises in the textbook. Okay, children, and poems are compulsory. Read properly and no mistakes. Okay, children, try to read the poem and keep in your mind. Get the poem and keep in your mind and try to answer the questions in the annual examination properly. Take care, children. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.